Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this wall tile and tag from Dollar Tree and this mini mason jar that I got from Temu. I had some of the scrap tiles left over, so I just took a piece of it and traced out the mason jar shape, everything but the lid. To attach it, I'm applying tacky glue to the mason jar and then placing down that piece I had cut out. Once it was fully adhered, I went around and cut off any excess tile. And then I'm painting the wall tile as well as the sides of the mason jar with plaster colored chalk paint by Waverly, giving that full coverage. Next, I'm taking a piece of cardboard and holding it along where the lid is, and then just holding that and tracing out the lid shape. And then I cut that out. And then what I do is place it down and spray it with some water just on one side and kind of just rub it in and let that sit for a few minutes and then peel off the paper that I had sprayed. I made sure the cardboard piece was dry and then painted it with Butter Pecan chalk paint, and that is by Folkart. I also took that same paint and painted the sides of the lid on the mason jar. Then took a fan brush and put minimal paint on that and just rub that along all the textured areas on that wall tile. Next, I'm adding some hot glue to the mason jar lid and placing down the cardboard, and then trimmed up any excess that's on there. And I had this tag that I got from Dollar Tree around Christmas time, but they do tend to have some other similar ones for different seasons. I took that and sanded down the paper part on the front. I then painted the entire thing with Italian Sage chalk paint, and that's also by Folkart, giving that full coverage. Next, I'm taking some tumbling tower blocks, which are also from Dollar Tree, placing them on the back of the mason jar. Once I get the placement that I want, I hot glue them down. Once I set it on to the tag, I didn't like how you could see the unfinished wood, so I just touched up the sides of the tumbling blocks and the outer edge of the mason jar with that same Italian Sage paint. Once that was done and dry, I added hot glue to the tumbling blocks and placed that down on the tag. Next, I'm adding back in a hanger with some twine. Next, I add some greenery down inside the jar, as well as some florals. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.